traffic. This is Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo, LifeLine helicopter. I'm going to stand by before I take off. What's your altitude?
We're currently level at 1,800 feet. We'll remain at 1,800 until we get clear to the north.
Okay, roger. 678 Romeo Bravo.
Thanks, buddy.
Greenwood traffic, this is 57 Golf Bravo. I'm about 5 miles to the south, headed north at 3,500 Greenwood traffic.
All right, there's the helicopter. See him right there. Right there.
And traffic departing 19 at Greenwood. We should be in a factor. I see you sitting down there now. We should be well clear of you.
All right, thank you very much. Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is taking off runway 19, planning a straight out south departure Greenwood. And I have you in sight, LifeLine.
All right, roger that. You guys have a good flight.
You too, thanks.